Look there.
Hi guys, I've come to meet my cousins, prehistoric man, okay? And that's what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like now, okay? So I don't want you all getting carried away. And here we are, here I am, tackling the whatever you call it. Right, we're actually still in a different part of Spain, and we are looking at, I'm hoping that the name comes up somewhere on here in a moment. Sorry. Okay. What are you looking at? So we are here in the caves of, they did tell me the name, guys. Huh? Tescular or something or the other. But I'm hoping that the name will come up in the presentation.
Impressive formations of stalagmites and stalactites. During the 20th century, I was the site of the first scientific investigations in the field of archaeology by Father H. Breen and J.J. Senna. During the Civil War, I was used as a munitions dump. So, a half-a-meter layer of cement was laid on the floor of the entrance chamber. Since the beginning of the century, many summer guests have visited me, and also in festive times such as Easter. And as from the 60s, I have been open to the public as a tourist attraction. As we breathe in and abspin the spices atmosphere, La Cueva de las Calaveras serenely takes us back and makes us
Sorry guys if you heard that, I apologize. It's just the sheer height of this thing, and being inside the cave itself. It's a scary thought. I wouldn't like anything of those to drop from where they are. Telling you now. Holy macaroons.
Nee jongens, het is wel echt heel mooi.
Here we got Africanus, Homo erectus, Homo Neanderthal, and Homo sapiens, or sapiens. And that's me in my better days, okay? Scary thought. What a scary thought.
No, así no cojo esto. Ahí, ahí sí. A coger como en la calle, ¿no? A ver, acá.
There's nothing much for me to say other than to take in the magnitude of this cave.
What was on the taboo film? Space.
What on the?
Taboo film.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It does look like a face in it. Get out of me. What's green and blue?
Green. There.
Yeah.
And then you've got the blue.
Where's the blue?
Just there. Open your eyes.
Where?
There.
Okay. Your face blue, much blue. I'm gonna stick you in one of these holes and leave you. Let's see if you let's see how you fossilize in 1,000 years. Huh? Yeah, I think so.